Hey everyone, so today I am just doing a chill get ready with me while I get ready for the day, because today I'm actually switching up my hair, so I'm going to do a little bit of a grand reveal in this video also, even though you've probably already seen my hair on social media if you follow me there, but I just thought it would be fun, okay? So yeah, make sure you watch until the end. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. I'm only doing something subtle because I don't want to like completely change my hair and regret it and want to go back to my blonde and then damage my hair and everything. So we're going to do it in small stages. I'm thinking about putting some brown through, kind of keeping the darker roots and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you tune into the end. I need to put on makeup because I hate going to the hairdresser. I've said this before. I hate going to the hairdresser with no makeup on because I look like a little spud with my like, you know, high neckline keep on, my hair back in foils. Like it's just, you just need something going on so you don't feel like a 0 out of 10. Amazing news. Oh my gosh, I was on Instagram yesterday. By the time you watch this video, you know, a week or two ago. Holy shit, Covergirl. Oh my god, they're now Leaping Bunny approved, I believe, or something like that. They're cruelty free. They've gone cruelty free. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And you guys know, if you've been watching my videos lately, I've been obsessed with Covergirl makeup lately. So I might just use a few of my favorites in this video. Make sure if you are a cruelty free purchaser to check out Covergirl now and support them and thank them for their change, and hopefully other brands will follow suit. Especially if they see how successful, you know, Covergirl's going, like maybe we can actually make some more changes. So I am just so excited. The fact we have another amazing, you know, drugstore cruelty-free brand go cruelty-free is just like, I'm so happy. I'm a huge fan of this primer, by the way. It's the Pore Minimizing Skin Primer by Covergirl. This is so good, you guys. It's one of my favorite primers. It's so hydrating and it gives a really nice soft blur effect over all of your pores and just makes your skin glow like so much. It's kind of like the Becca primer mixed with like the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer or something like that. So today I'm going to use my Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I did do a first impression on this. This is in the shade L80. I'm going to use my Flawless Finish sponge with this. I just used like maybe 3 or 4 pumps, aka a shitload. And I didn't really think about this, but I think it's going to be too pale for me as well, so I'm going to have to do a lot of bronzing. There's something on my sponge. Can you see all over my chin? What the heck? Just to darken up my face a little bit and add some more coverage, I'm going to go ahead with the Vanish Foundation Stick by Hourglass in the shade Sand. Bright yellow on me, but hopefully when I blend it out it'll be okay. I don't even like know what kind of look I'm going for today. I just wanted to like chuck on some makeup with you guys. So hopefully it turns out good. So that colour definitely made a bit of a difference, but I'm still looking kind of pale compared to my body. My fake tan this time is just so dark and I don't know why, because I put it on the exact same as every other time. It's the same tan. I don't know, it just went like uber dark. It's weird. I shouldn't really complain because I like the colour, but it's just weird. I'm going to use my Custard NARS concealer and I'm just going to apply this where I've kind of been picking at my skin this morning. Which I know is terrible, but I don't know. I've got so many blackheads right now, it's insane. I don't know where they all came from, especially around the sides of my nose. It's like I mustn't be like cleaning into the side of my nose properly at night or something when I take off my makeup. I don't know, it's gross. I really want to do a red lip, but I feel like a red lip at the hairdresser is just going to be way too intense. And then underneath my eyes, I'm going to use my No Filter Concealer by Colourpop because it's right in front of me. This one's in the shade Light 16, in case you were wondering. Oh, my skin's actually looking quite nice now. I was like iffy before because, you know, as I said, I picked my skin and I was like, god, I'm gonna have a terrible foundation day. It was all blotchy before, but it's looking good now. Since I have such a dark fake tan on, I'm gonna take this Studio Fix powder. This one's in this shade this one's in the shade C35, which is like darker than I would normally go because I need it all over my face. Now we are starting to match. It's a good day. And then underneath my eyes, I'm going to use my, can they redo this packaging? I love the product, but I hate the packaging. The KKW Beauty Brightening Under Eye Powder in the shade 2. I'm just using it on a small face brush. I like to pack this on. I don't know how I haven't hit pan because I really like get in there. I just feel like it looks really nice. Like if you compare this is the side I just did with that side, like I can see a big difference. Like, I don't know about you. I'm real tired today. I don't know if you can tell. I should really be having a coffee, but I feel like I'm having a bit of an addictive moment with coffee, so I'm trying to like pull myself back a little bit. I don't want to rely on coffee. I've been drinking 4 liters of water a day, trying to get rid of these like big deep lines I have under my eyes. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Like, they just kind of developed over the last few months, and I don't know if it's just me aging or if it's like a permanent thing or a temporary thing, if I can fix it or not. But I'm trying to fix it just with heaps of water. But honestly, if I can't fix it with water, I want fillers under there. I've never had fillers in my life, but I hate that line. So I'm just like tracking along with my water lately. Honestly, I think it is working a little bit. I feel like they're not as bad as they were a few days ago. So good. I'm just gonna head off and do my eyebrows and contour quickly, then I'll be back for the fun stuff. Another Covergirl product that's really good is their True Blend bronzer. If you love that JLo glow look, that really warm bronze look with like glow, shimmer, you'll love this. And saying that, the shimmer is not like full on shimmer, it's not like a highlighter, but it just gives you like a fresh, healthy glow. Do I have something in my eye? I feel like I have something in my eye. So I'm using it with a powder tulip brush today. I'm just going to kind of buff that onto my actual cheek area. I'll do one side of my face and see if you can see the difference. It's honestly so beautiful, you guys. It's one of my favorite bronzers ever. I've used it quite a few times in my videos lately. You definitely don't want to contour with it. If I swatch on my finger, you can see like the color. You can kind of see the finish. It's quite shiny. You see it on my cheek? I don't know. Versus that side. Like, it's just so warm and beautiful. And I just love the color. And then on top of that, I'm going to put some blush. I really want to use this one here. This is by Cleo, which is a Korean brand, and it's called Muted Pink. I'm just using the same brush. This is very buildable, which I like. Just like a hint of pink. I might use another Cleo one. This one's like a gold and pink duochrome, which could look really cute with the blush I just used. I'm going to use it on a face detail brush. By the way, it's called Fairy Pink, which is a cute name. Oh, that's so cool. Hold on, it's way too bright again. Oh my god, that's so nice. I'm a big fan of that. Do you guys like it? I love it. Okay, so the face makeup is all done. Should I put on my lipstick now? Since we've used quite a few affordable and drugstore brands, I want to use this Australia's Girl Boss Demi Matte Lip Cream. I really like these for something a little bit more shiny. This one's in Loyal. I've never used it. I need to take the packaging off. I hate these so much. Oh, that one actually came off in one go. So satisfying. Hopefully this color is nice. It just looks like a nice like baby pink, I guess. I've got such an itchy nose. Hay fever. Summer is coming. I swear, and let me know if any of you guys are the same. I swear my hay fever, the older I get, the worse it gets. And it gets longer. Like when I first started getting hay fever, which was only like 6 or 7 years ago, I feel like I don't have hay fever for like a couple of weeks. Now I feel like I have it most of the year, and it makes my throat itchy, my nose itchy, makes my eyes sore and watery and just terrible. I don't know, and I just feel like it's getting worse and worse. Is it just me, or is anyone else the same? I'd love to know. The packaging's a bit busted, can you hear that? I hate that noise. But I love the colour. It kind of reminds me of Elysian by XO Beauty. It's like a similar kind of pink, you know? Okay, now onto the eye makeup. I want to do something very simple. So I have my Katy Kat palette by Covergirl, so I'll use this today just once again to celebrate. This isn't sponsored, but just saying, just to celebrate that they've gone cruelty free, and this is such a cute palette. I've done tutorials using this before. By the way, also I'll link below my latest Covergirl full face video, so you can like have a look at what good stuff they have. So I'm going to take the warm brown colour, just there. This is a crease blender brush. I'm just going to buff that into my crease. These powders are very easy to blend, as you can see right now. And then I want to take the really bright gold Kitty Cat. I'm going to put a little bit in my inner corner first with a pencil brush. And I haven't used gold like this in a while. I like it. And then just taking a flat brush, I'm going to apply this also on my eyelid. Oh, look how beautiful that is. It's so pigmented. And then straight over top, I'm going to use a little bit of this Too Faced Tutti Frutti Lemon Zest Glitter Eyeshadow. I'm just wiping off most of the product before I start. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this just straight over top of where I put the gold. It's so nice. Kind of gives like a wet look almost, which I am quite a big fan of actually. I'm just going to run a little bit of this underneath as well. Oh, this is such a pretty spring look. And then I feel like just doing a bit of a brown eyeliner, I think, and just like smudge it out. So I'm just gonna let that dry and then I'll go in with it. Is that the last thing I've got to do? Lashes. It's so weird. I did all my face makeup first for some reason today. This is Urban Decay 24/7 in Roach. So hopefully it looks good. I don't think I've used this one. Is it gonna look good? I hope so. So I'm just gonna go back into the Katy palette and I'm gonna take like a small eyeshadow brush in the darkest brown. It kind of matches, and just like smudge in the eyeliner as I go. And I'm just going to take my time and just kind of like build it up as I go, because I don't want it to be too harsh. Just nice and soft. Oh my god, it just like smushed all my eyelashes together. That felt so weird. I have a question of the day for you. What is your current favourite lip colour? I would love to know. I feel like there's so many lip colours out there these days that like there's no cult favourites anymore. You know, there was always like, you know, back when I started NYX India, I loved that. And then like Myth by MAC. Oh my god, there's such a cute bird outside. What kind of bird is that? He's super speckled and cute. Oh my gosh. Anyway. And then there was like Velvet Teddy by MAC. You know, there was that phase. So what is your favourite lipstick now? Like, is there a cult favourite or is it just whatever? So I'm just going to do something like that. Good? I don't know. Also, what's your favourite song at the moment? Mine is probably Vibes by 660. If you guys don't live in New Zealand, I'm not sure if you'll know who 660 is. They're a New Zealand band. I'll play a little bit of it to you. I just love the beat. It's such a good song. Oh my gosh, look, I got my nails done different colours. I got my nails done short too. I don't know. Okay, so now for mascara. I definitely want to do mascara and lashes. Let me go grab my lashes actually, because I'll reuse some. Okay, first, let's put on some primer. This stuff actually does work. I used it in a live stream over on my Twitch like a couple months ago. It was before I went to the Katy Perry concert. And I tried it out and it works, but it's the kind of thing I can't usually be bothered doing. But I thought I'd show you since, you know, cruelty free. It smells so good. It's like Lash Blast. You know Lash Blast mascara? They used to be one of my holy grails back in the day, like 6 years ago. Oh, I love Lash Blast. I should actually get some more of it and see if I still like it, because that was legit. What was your favourite mascara back in the day? I used to love that one. What else did I used to love? I feel like that was my favourite. I used to love Great Lash by Maybelline. I think it's Maybelline. So yeah, it's just a lash primer. It makes your lashes a little bit thicker when you put your mascara on top. It is white, so you need to cover it. Unless you want this look, I guess. And then on top, I'm going to use my Climax by NARS, because I really like this one. I haven't actually used it in a couple weeks. I don't think I waited long enough for the white to dry. My lashes, if I do say so myself, look pretty super good right now, but I'm still going to use falsies, because I love falsies. I'm just going to stick on this falsie while this completely dries. So I'm using the Soulmate today. I've used these ones like 4 times, so they're getting a little bit Ev. I'm just sitting those straight down on top. They're so pretty, these ones. They're just like long and clustery and just beautiful. They've actually got brown on them, but you can't tell once you put them on. They just look like lash extensions or something almost. I just filled in my waterline with my definer shade from this Brow Contour Pro by Benefit, where it's so good, in the waterline. And I think, should I just leave my lower lash line bare? I never do this. I always wear bottom lash mascara. I'm gonna do it, I think. It's weird to me though. Do you like this look or nah? I don't know. So I'm gonna finish off. I've almost finished this entire bottle, so I just wanna like get through it now. I really like it. It's the cherry scent of the Urban Decay setting spray. And that is the makeup done. This is like my summer dream for makeup. Like, oh my goodness, it's so easy as well. Like, so pretty and simple and amazing. Just want to like darken it a little bit, because this is like more realistic lighting, you know? So yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Actually, we're not ending the video yet. Stay tuned and I'll show you my hair. So here's my before, I suppose. Before hair. Oh, what is this? My hair is like desperate for a dye. Look back here, it's like so dark in the roots. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep some dark roots, put in some brown, just break up the blonde a little bit. I love my blonde though. I don't want to go like brunette. I just want to have a little change, and then if I hate it I can come back to this, because I love my hair, don't get me wrong. I don't actually like dislike my hair. There's no reason I want to change it other than, I don't know, I just have that itch. But I love this blonde on me, so I just don't want to like go too far and regret it, you know. But I want to change, just cause. See you soon. Hello, it's me. I need to touch up my hairline. Hairdresser problems. Yeah. I'm just gonna use some of this foundation. Sand. Beautiful. I have this brush. Museum of Ice Cream. Sephora. It's the first one I grabbed. I've just packed away my sponge. Hence the reason I'm not using that again. I just packed my bag for Auckland. I'm off tomorrow, so I just wanted to get all my makeup ready so I don't have to do it in the morning because I am lazy. I've got some like hair dye on my head, so we're just gonna have to face tune that. Oh my god, this isn't working very well. I can't be bothered taking off my entire face of makeup though. Like, I'm not even going anywhere. I'm just trying to look cute for you guys, so just deal with it. I mean, at least I've got makeup on my forehead. I don't have like my pale ass face showing through now. Who wants to see this hair? Okay, honestly, it's not that different. Like, it is different. It's very different, but it's not like black or anything. It's not brown. You can see like a bit of my roots right now. Oh god, I missed this bit. I've got hair dye in my ear. Love that. By the way, if you're wondering where I get my hair done, I go to Vivo, Palmerston North, and Covergirl. I don't know what any of the other Vivos are like. Never been to them, but my hairdresser is Mel at Vivo, and it used to be a different salon, and then the salon changed to Vivo, and she stayed there, and I go to her because I trust her with my life. So let's do it. Dun, 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 dun. Here it is. Oh my god, I'm like tripping balls like looking at it. I'm like, oh god, it's so different. So we did a really deep dark brown root, and then it's kind of faded into my blonde I already had. By the way, you can see a little bit of a purple tint through here. That's just the toner that'll wash out. It's just like where we re-blonded it. So yeah, what do you guys think? I'll show you the bag. See how it's like purple in there? It won't be like that forever. And it'll fade a little bit when I start to wash it as well. But yeah, I'm not like white blonde anymore. It's like, what would you even call this hair color? I don't know. It's like a beige, I don't know, something. Blonde, brown mixture. It's still very blonde in real life, especially. Like if I brighten this up, let me just see. I don't know. It's probably a bit better. Quite like it though. I want to like wash out the purple. I feel like it'll look really good once the tone is kind of completely gone. But we always overtone just so that it lasts a bit longer and looks nice and clean. So yeah, let me know what you think. What do you like better, the old blonde, or do you like this for something a little bit different, a bit of a switch up? I have not switched up my hair in probably like 2 or 3 years, so it's probably about time to be honest. But yeah, it's very different. I'm freaking out. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.